Once you've had a few days to play and bond with your German Shepherd puppy, it's time to get started with formal training. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and energetic dogs, so training is important to establish boundaries and help prevent behavioral problems down the road. To train your German Shepherd, use positive reinforcement whenever it does something good, like sit on command or go to the bathroom outside. Treats, petting, and playtime are all forms of positive reinforcement you can use. By rewarding good behaviors, your German Shepherd will quickly learn to keep doing those things. If your dog is doing something you don't like, try redirecting its attention to something else. For example, if it's chewing on something it's not supposed to, give it a toy to chew on instead. Avoid shouting, hitting, or locking your dog in a crate, since this kind of punishment can actually cause behavioral problems later on. When your dog is around 7 to 8 weeks old, you can start teaching it basic commands like sit and stay. Once it's got those down, you can work on commands like fetch, drop, and roll over. German Shepherds can pick up commands quickly, but they require consistency and high energy to keep them focused. Work on training your dog for 20 to 30 minutes every day.